Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to clear your cache or how to clean your system Windows 11, 10 or any other system. So there are four ways to clean your cache or temporary files from your system. So let's start. First, we have to click the Windows and R at the same time. So you will get this window. Now here we have to type prefetch, and just we need to click on OK, and here it will ask you to give a permission, so click on just continue and you will navigate to one folder. So this file are just a cache file, so you need to delete this. So select first one file and just press Ctrl and A, and then click Ctrl and delete. So why we are pressing Ctrl and delete? To delete this file permanently from your system, and just click on yes. So the some file will be there, like it will used by some other program, so it will not delete. So let's keep that side. Then next again we have to press Windows and R, and now we have to type here temp and just click OK. So these also are some cache files, so we need to delete this. So click Ctrl and A and click on the delete button and just delete all the files. You can skip some files as it is used by some programs. So next again press Windows and R, and now we have to type percent temp percent. So what we have typed percent temp percent, then again click OK. Select all these files and click on delete and delete everything from this folder. It is just a cache files. You can do this all current items, and just you can skip that. Then again press Windows and R, and now here we have to type clean mrg, clean mgr, and click OK. So it will show you the C drive, and from that drive here we have some checkbox. We have to select this and we'll delete all this cache from there. So just click on OK and delete files. So it will remove all the junk from your C drive. So let's wait. So these are the four ways you can clean your system. You can clean your cache, and now your system will ready to work faster. So in this way you can clear all the cache.